amazing to retire early and still enjoy a luxurious, stress-free life? No bosses, no deadlines, just peace, comfort, and the freedom to live life on your own terms. But here's the big question. How much money will you actually need every month after you retire? Most people assume their current expenses will remain the same after retirement. But there's a silent villain they are ignoring, which is inflation. For example, if your monthly expenses are 80,000 rupees today, you will need 2 lakhs per month in just 15 years just to maintain the same lifestyle. So how do you plan for that? Let's break it down in detail in this video. Hi there, welcome to holisticinvestment.in, where we simplify the world of personal finance for individual investors like you. Let's get into the video. The traditional pension system is gone for most of us, but the good news is you don't need it. You can create your own monthly pension through disciplined investing. How? Start yearly, stay consistent, and invest in high growth assets like equity mutual funds during your working years. If you start in your 20s or early 30s, compounding will do most of the heavy lifting for you. So let's say you want 2 lakhs per month after retirement to maintain your lifestyle. Let's assume your retirement age is 60 and life expectancy is 85. So post-retirement returns is equal to 9% per annum, and a withdrawal strategy should last at least 25 years. So you will need a corpus of approximately 2.6 crore at the time of retirement. So invest that corpus smartly and you can generate 2 lakhs per month for the rest of your life. So how do you use that 2.6 crore after retirement? By investing in a mix of debt mutual funds, hybrid mutual funds, senior citizen savings schemes, and a little equity depending on your risk tolerance. This way you get steady monthly income, inflation beating growth, tax efficient withdrawals, and peace of mind. Now let's see how different types of investors can structure this retirement income. For a conservative investor who prefers safety over returns, here's a sample tabular column allocation for a 2.6 crore retirement corpus. As you can see, even with careful planning, the income falls short. If you're conservative, you will either need to build a bigger corpus or increase exposure to growth assets like hybrid funds, because without some equity exposure, beating inflation is tough. If you're a moderate investor, like looking for balance between safety and growth, then here is how a moderate investor might allocate 2.6 crore, which you can see in this tabular column. You can see this is still close to the goal but slightly short. Just increasing your corpus by 15 to 20 lakhs or fine-tuning your allocation can help you reach the 2 lakh per month mark. And if you're an aggressive investor, then like you're comfortable with equity exposure, here's a plan that slightly exceeds the target. So as per this tabular column, you can see the strategy gives you 2 lakhs plus monthly income, a buffer for inflation or emergency, and long-term growth. So if you have time on your side and the stomach for short-term volatility, this approach can work wonders. And here is also a model portfolio presented on the screen as a tabular column that smartly blends safety, growth, and inflation protection. Doesn't this look like a smart, diversified strategy to meet your monthly pension goal? It provides the perfect blend of stable income from fixed instruments, growth from mutual funds, and tax efficiency and capital appreciation. Are you skeptical about the returns? Let's look at actual performance data as of the last 3 to 5 years. So in equity savings fund, you get 8.6% plus annual average returns, and in hybrid funds or in balanced advantage funds, you get 11 to 12.6% returns, and in flexi cap funds or in large cap funds, you get around 16 to 18% average returns. So yes, our return assumptions of 7.5% to 12% are actually on the conservative side. You are not chasing unrealistic goals, you are following a data-backed strategy. So what are the key points to remember? First, tax benefits. Under the new tax regime, senior citizens can earn up to 7 lakhs annually tax-free. Equity and hybrid mutual funds held for over a year now enjoy a lower long-term capital gains tax of just 12.5% on gains exceeding 1.25 lakh per year under the new tax regime. And there is also another point to consider, which is the inflation protection. Your 2 lakh per month may need to become 2.5 lakh or more in 5 to 7 years. Only equity and hybrid investments can help your income grow to keep pace with rising costs. And another thing is withdrawal strategy. Use systematic withdrawal plans like SWPs from your mutual funds instead of breaking FDs, because SWPs offer monthly cash flow, better tax treatment, and ongoing compounding of the remaining corpus. And lastly, risk tolerance. Not everyone should go aggressive. Even with a 30 to 40% equity allocation, your retirement portfolio can comfortably beat inflation without sleepless nights. So what is the final takeaway from this video? Achieving a 2 lakh monthly pension isn't just a dream for the wealthy, it's a practical goal for any Indian investor with the right plan. So start yearly, stay consistent, diversify across assets, and adjust for inflation each year. Your retirement should reward your hard work and not limit your lifestyle. So do you want a personalized retirement plan? Then click the link in the description to book your free consultation with our certified financial planner from holisticinvestment.in. And let us help you create a retirement plan that gives you peace of mind and a pension you can truly live on. And if you find this video valuable, give it a like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Until next time, thank you for watching.
Definitely check out the blog post we have posted on our website through the link in the description. And if you want to gain more professional guidance through a professional financial planner, you can choose to book a one-on-one complimentary consultation with one of our professional financial planner through the link in the description. Also, if you want to gain more investment and financial insights through the leading experts in the finance industry, we also conduct regularly free live webinars through which you can register and gain these insights. The link is in the description. Also, if you like this video, definitely hit like and subscribe to our YouTube channel so we can come up with more such financially beneficial content for you. Thank you for watching.